Hello everyone. How are the things going on? Okay, very good. In the last class, we studied the merchant sent Ivan to the forest to fetch firewood. Suddenly, rain started. What did Ivan do? Yes, he ran to the shelter of a large tree. There he saw a big nest on the branches of the tree. How many small birds were there in the nest? Yes, there were four small birds in the nest. There was no one to protect them from the wind and rain. So Ivan climbed the tree and covered the little ones with his clothes. Okay, students, let's start our today's lesson, the teaching bird. Look at the picture. What can you see? Ivan, mother bird, big trees. Where does he sit? He sits on the branch of a tree. Okay, children, I will read the lesson, the teaching bird. You listen to me carefully. Thank you, Ivan. You protected my little children from cold and rain, and I wish to do something for you. Tell me what I can do for you. Ivan was surprised to see a talking bird. Children, why was Ivan surprised? Yes, Ivan was surprised to see a talking bird. Ivan answered, You know our language. Will you teach me your language, the language of birds? Stay with me for some days and you shall know it as we do. Ivan remained in the forest for a few days. He learned the language of birds from the mother bird. Ivan returned home happily. Ivan wanted to know the language of birds, so he asked to mother bird to teach their language, the language of birds. The mother bird agreed to teach Ivan the language of birds. So Ivan stayed in the forest for a few days with the mother bird. He learned the language of birds and returned home. Okay, students, turn the next page, the secret. That night, Ivan was listening to the song of the nightingale. Now he could understand its meaning. Ivan spoke to the bird in its language. How did you learn our language? Flying towards him, the nightingale asked. Ivan told the whole story to the nightingale. Who was listening the song? Correct. Ivan was listening the song. Now he could understand the language of birds. Nightingale flew towards Ivan and asked how he learned the bird's language. Children, do you remember the story? Yes. Once Ivan went to the forest to collect firewood. It was a horrible rainy day. He saw a big nest with four little babies. No one was there to protect the little ones. So Ivan covered the nest with his clothes. When the mother bird came back, she thanked Ivan. She taught Ivan the bird's language. Okay, children? The bird whispered the secret in Ivan's ear. What is the meaning of whispered? Whispered means speak very softly with a low voice. Children, what could be the secret told by the nightingale? Okay, it will be discussed in our next class. Thank you.